Ever wondered how to do a car engine compression test? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to delve into this vital procedure that keeps your engine humming along nicely. A compression test, in simple terms, is a method to measure the pressure generated by your engine's cylinders during operation. It's an important health check, much like a regular physical examination for US humans. So, stay tuned to learn how to perform an engine compression test in a few easy-to-follow steps. First things first, you need to prepare your car for the test. A well-prepared car is the key to a successful compression test. To start, ensure your car's battery is fully charged. A low battery can lead to inaccurate results as the engine needs to turn over consistently during the test. Next, bring your engine to its operating temperature. A cold engine won't give you the accurate compression readings you need, so let your car run for a bit before starting the test. Now, you'll want to remove all the spark plugs. This will allow the cylinders to pressurize fully, giving you the most accurate readings. Lastly, disable your fuel system. This is crucial to prevent fuel from being injected during the test, which can cause a myriad of issues, including a risk of fire. And there you have it. With your car prepared, we can move on to the next step. Now, let's dive into the process of performing the engine compression test. To begin, you'll need to attach the compression gauge to the first cylinder of your engine. Ensure that it is securely fastened to avoid any potential misreadings. Now, this is where a helper comes into play. You'll need someone to crank the engine for you while you focus on the gauge. This is not a one-man job, so make sure you've got a trusty assistant on hand. Once your helper starts the engine, keep your eyes on the gauge. You're looking for the highest reading it gives, which will occur right as the engine turns over. Pay close attention, as this number will give you a good indication of the cylinder's health. A low reading could indicate a problem such as a leak or a worn piston ring. Once you've noted this reading, it's time to move on to the next cylinder. Repeat this process for each cylinder in your engine. Attach the gauge, have your helper crank the engine, and note the reading. It's a straightforward process, but one that requires careful attention to detail. Every reading is a piece of the puzzle, giving you more insight into the overall health of your engine. So, don't rush through it. Take your time and make sure you're getting accurate readings on each cylinder. Remember to note down each reading, as this will help you identify any issues. You've performed the test, but what do the results mean? Well, let's delve into that. A healthy engine should show a compression of around 140 to 160 pounds per square inch, (psi), per cylinder. If all cylinders read close to this range, your engine is in fine shape. However, if readings are significantly lower, or if there's a big disparity between cylinders, say more than 10%, it's a sign of trouble. Lower readings could indicate worn-out piston rings, a blown head gasket, or damage to the cylinder walls. Variations between cylinders, on the other hand, could point to issues with specific components, such as the valves or spark plugs. Remember, this test isn't a diagnosis but a starting point for further investigation. It helps you narrow down potential issues, guiding you towards the next steps in your troubleshooting journey. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to perform a car engine compression test and understand what the results mean.